In this video, let's talk about the difference between Coinbase versus Uphold. This is what Uphold looks like when you log into the platform, and this is what Coinbase look like when you log into the platform on a desktop. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, where you can be up to date with more information to help grow your bank account and help grow your brand. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, this is Uphold, and I'm going to tell you the difference between what I like about and what I don't like about both of the platforms. Now, here's the thing. The Uphold platform, I like the things, this is the things I like about Uphold. I like the fact that anything to anything feature, I love that. Because if I want to trade out of something, or if I want to buy something, or I want to sell something, I could do it all in this area here. That's all I need. So for an example, if I want to buy something, I'll add my bank or my credit card or my debit card, okay? And so then I'll click on use bank account. The next thing is I'll just find the asset. That easy. Okay, cryptocurrency. All right, click on there. Here's Bitcoin. I'll use that. And voila, I add in my dollar amount, $10, boom. It's all taken care of, $10. So I got $10 and and I buy this Bitcoin and we're good to go. That's it. I love about this on Uphold, it's simple and easy to do. Click on preview deposit. Little disclaimer about what's gonna happen next and things that you need to be informed with, but that's really basically it. So, and the second thing of this, it's easy to withdraw. It's easy to withdraw. I know some people be thinking like, I don't know, it's a little scary. Listen, all you gotta do under your accounts, if you want to withdraw something, 𝐵𝒐𝒐, and I can put this into Bitcoin, so I can have this into Bitcoin. Yes, I can. So I could basically take 10 of my 𝐕𝒐𝒐 and then put it towards a Bitcoin as a trade, or I can put it into my bank account by clicking banks. 10 of my 𝐕𝒐𝒐 will be traded into my bank account with withdrawal. And that's what I would do. And here's the thing. I will click on preview. And then after this, it will basically prompt me to my authenticator app with the 6-digit code to make sure it's me, make sure everything is fine. That's good to go. That's my favorite thing I like about it. The best thing I like about Coinbase is earn rewards. I can earn rewards by taking quizzes and by watching videos. So Matic, earn $3 in Matic. Click on here. It directs me to a page where I can start taking a quiz. I don't even know if you know about this. What blockchain is Polygon helping to scale? I mean, yes. So all I have to do is just follow the prompts. All I have to do is follow the prompts. That's it. Of course, it's Ethereum. We know about that. So you just earn $1 in Matic. You see that? I just earned $1 in Matic just by taking the quiz. I mean, it's that simple. It's simple. I love this about Coinbase. Now, Uphold does not have any rewards on here, so that's one thing. I mean, I wish they add something like that. That'd be great. So Uphold doesn't have that. Now, and look at all these other ones. I can do Fourth, I can do the Graph, I can do Stellar Lumis. So I can continue adding this. So this is pretty cool. I can earn Polygon Matic rewards. My second thing I like about it is that I like the fact that it's easy to send assets over to another person or another address or another mobile phone. Like this. Click on send. Make sure send is already clicked. And after that, I'll put a dollar amount, $10. Make sure you have the correct asset selected. So I can't select any of these right here. I just got the $1 Matic. See that? Just got the $1 Matic. That's pretty cool. And so I can select either Matic or Anchor. I got Anchor selected. I can send this by mobile phone. Look at that, mobile phone. Make sure And they actually make sure make sure this is actually a real number, because this is actually, that wasn't even a real number. So there it is. That's the real number. So look at this. So you're about to send $10 of Anchor to this mobile address. You also can do it by email. Boom, by email. $10 Anchor is going to be sent to that email address. You also can add a message. Happy birthday. Let's say it's a person's birthday. Happy birthday. So I can send this with an email message with a note that says happy birthday. And the final thing how you can do it, what you can send it to, is the exchange or wallet address, just by putting the address in there as well. So you can do that as well. So that's three different ways somebody can receive assets from Coinbase. And what happens is when they click on the email address or their cell phone text message or the exchange wallet information, it's going to direct them back to the Coinbase wallet. So it's going to direct them right back to here, which is pretty cool to do. Now, if you don't have a Coinbase account or a Uphold account, just click on the link below. You can get access to this right away. That's what I like about Coinbase. My third thing I like about Coinbase is it's just like Uphold, it's really easy to buy and sell. It really is. If I want to buy Bitcoin, click on $10. That's it. Buy now. That's it. It's simple. It's simple. It's really simple, really easy to do. If I want to sell something, I just click on the asset that I want to sell, because I can only sell 2 of them, because I only own 2 of them based off my portfolio. So if I want to sell $10 worth, I can deposit this right to my USD account, preview sale. That's it. Sell now. There's 106. Anchor will go right into my USD account. And then from my USD, I can withdraw that from the USD to my actually bank account. So there is a process. So it's that simple. If I want to convert one asset to another, I can do that very simple and very easy. Prime example, click on Anchor, and then I can just say $10. I want to move $10 of my Anchor, which is 105 Anchor really, and I want to convert that to Ethereum. It's going to preview it. It's going to basically say, hey, you know what? Do you want to do this or not? Convert now. I love the fact they have that preview selection. So if you accidentally do something wrong, it basically gives you one more confirmation. Do you want to continue with this? Obviously, we don't with this training situation. We just want to just show you how simple that is. Now, I'm going to say, let's talk about some of the cons. The cons I don't like about Uphold is that it's not easy to send an asset over to another asset. Now, and it's not necessarily easy to receive either. So VeChain, if I want to send this over, it's a completely different process. It's not easy to do. Uphold is not easy to do, but Coinbase, it is easy to do. So it's not easy to send or easy to receive. Now with Ethereum, I can receive this because I can click on wallet address and I can just click here and I can get the information right here. So it's easy to receive this. So I can take this and I actually can put this in here, and let's say I earn Ethereum. I can put this in here and I can send over my Ethereum. I have to just find Ethereum here and I can just send it over. So, but I don't like that about with Uphold. It's not easy to send, and it's not necessarily that simple to receive either. So it doesn't have that. I really wish they add that feature in there. Another thing I don't like about Uphold is it's the referral program. They just now got to uplift it, but it's not easy to find the referral links in here. It's not easy to find what the referral stuff is all about. The referral program, it's not right in front of you like Coinbase. Look at the Coinbase. Coinbase is right here. Give a gift, give a friend the gift of free crypto. It's right there in front of you. You can send this over, you can share it. it's easy to send people an opportunity to get involved in Coinbase, which by the way, click on the link below to get access, get $10 in free crypto just by logging in and buying and selling your crypto. So anyway, Uphold has that, but it's not easy to find. It's not easy to find all that information. So that's one of the things that is kind of a con. Here's the cons of Coinbase. Now with Coinbase, I think it's not, I feel like the portfolio can be a little bit more easier to look at. I mean, look at all your assets. It's kind of like, let's say you own all these assets. It's kind of like, I really wish it was kind of a little bit more easier to look at all your assets from your portfolio. I really wish it was kind of more of an easier way of doing this. Like you can filter. I really wish it was the way you can filter out your assets. You can filter them out. So if I own all of these, I have to keep scrolling all the way down to them. I really wish the way it was I can filter out the ones that I actually own. So like prime example, I own these two. I only want to see these two. There's no way for I can only see these two. I don't see a way you can filter these out. So I didn't like that. That's one of the cons I didn't like, is that you have to keep scrolling up and down and finding out what assets you own. Like let's say you own Uniswap and you own the graph. It's all the way down here, even though it does have a summary of your portfolio balance, but it's no way you can filter this out. So that's one of the things I do not like about it in terms of Coinbase. So that's the features, that's the pros and cons about Coinbase and versus Uphold. I do believe they both good platforms. I think it's more positive versus negative when it turns to both platforms. And one more positive thing I like about Coinbase is, if you go to prices, you can look at all tradable assets, even the ones that's not listed on Coinbase. For an example, Binance Coin, I can learn all about it. Even though it's not supported by Coinbase, but I can learn all about it. I can learn about the website and the stories by it. So that's one of the positive things I like about Coinbase. And one more extra thing I like about Uphold is that I like the fact everything's in front of you. My balance, I can trade and buy and sell, and I can go ahead and I can actually research things all at once. I can click on Cardano. Okay, Cardano's this price. Okay, my trading balance with Cardano is this. And then I can trade, I can do everything at once. I'm looking at Cardano. I own Cardano, and then I can trade Cardano. Look at this. I can do all that. Look at this. Cardano, Cardano, Cardano. So I can do everything at once. I can kind of follow it through. So I like everything in front of you. I love about this about Uphold. Plus, I like the mobile app. The mobile app is really easy to use. Coinbase mobile app, I think, is easy to use as well. I like them both. I really do. There is a difference between them both. Some offer better features than the other, but check them out. Check them both out. If you use them, continue using them. Put in the comment line what you like about both of them, or what you don't like about both of them. I'd love to read what you have to say. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't have access to Coinbase, you get $10 worth of Coinbase by signing up and investing to Coinbase assets on their platform, or Uphold as well. Go ahead and take advantage of the Uphold features as well. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.